Okay, so let's take a look these examples, but before that I believe I mistakenly mentioned common module in here, so it's a mistake. It's not common module. I meant to say common elements. So you can check for wherever I said common modules. In the previous video, what I'm trying to say is common elements. Now let's hit the examples that we have in here. So we already have three sets, as you see in here, A, B, C, 1, 2, 3 for set A, and we have set B, 1, 2, 3, 4, and then we have set C, 0, D, E, F. So we are going to put this into the Venn diagram, and we'll see what will happen, or what kind of logical relations that these three sets have. So as earlier, I will try to highlight first if there is any common element in here. So if I look between A and B, there are three common elements, 1, 2, 3 here, and 1, 2, 3 here. So definitely A and B will be overlapping somewhere for these three elements. But for C, I didn't see any common element for A and C. Same as B and C, there is also no common element. So let me write A and B, since there is common element, so they are overlapping set, but A and C also B and C, since there is no common element, so these two we call it as disjoint set, as how we discussed earlier. So if we put this, since only A and B has some overlapping elements in here, so this is how I'm going to put it. So this will be A, and then B, and then C will be somewhere here. So first I will put in the common element between A and B, which is 1, 2, 3. So rest or left element for A will be A, B, C, and then another element left for B will be 4 only, while for C I will have all the element inside, O, D, E, F. So I don't think it's difficult to transfer from sets representations as you see here, A, B, C, into the Venn diagram. Okay, so let's see, or coming back to the very first slide in here, now here. So let's track what we already discussed today. So we start with definitions we already have, and then representations we already have, and then cardinality of a set we already have, and then types of set we already have, and last one we already see about Venn diagram. So the rest of the topics start from set operations, power sets, partitioning of a set, and Bell numbers in the end. We are going to discuss all of this on the next class. So this is all for today. Definitely after this we are going to proceed with the quiz, and please do the quiz. It's a compulsory, so I'm going to check from your LMS. Okay, so that's all. and see you next class.